The AOSEED AI 3D printer for kids is designed to make 3D printing more approachable for children while still offering features that can make the process engaging for creative projects. One of its key advantages is the enclosed design, which provides a more contained printing environment and makes the printer better suited to supervised use around kids. The focus here is clearly on making 3D printing less complicated and more accessible than a traditional setup. Speed is another major feature, with a claimed printing speed of up to 400 millimeters per second. For families interested in creating multiple models, faster printing can make the overall process more convenient and reduce the amount of time spent waiting for a project to finish. However, actual printing time can depend on the specific model and printing requirements, so the maximum speed should be viewed as a capability rather than a guarantee for every project. The printer also comes with access to more than 1,500 models, giving young users a substantial selection of designs to explore. This can be particularly useful for beginners who may not yet know how to create their own 3D models. Instead of starting with complicated design work, users can choose from available models and focus on learning how the printer works and experimenting with different projects. Another practical feature is one-click Wi-Fi app control. This adds a more convenient way to manage the printer and fits with the product's emphasis on simple operation. The leveling feature is also important because proper leveling is a basic part of getting a 3D printer ready to produce models consistently. Combined with app control and the enclosed design, the overall approach is centered on reducing some of the complexity that can make 3D printing intimidating for beginners. The AOSEED AI 3D printer for kids is therefore best suited to children and families looking for an accessible way to explore 3D printing, especially where ease of use, a large selection of models, wireless app control, and an enclosed design are priorities. The main consideration is that it is still a 3D printer, so younger users will benefit from appropriate adult supervision and realistic expectations about the printing process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.